It's Joe.
Okay, we got the left side motor mount done. How about the right side motor mount? This one's gonna be a little bit different because it has, let me do it like this. It has a mount for this compressor. And this little mount goes on here and the two bolts line up. However, with that factory mount going on, it's supposed to sit flat on that boss. And with that factory mount, the holes don't line up. So I think we're gonna cut it, we're gonna clean it up and cut it right along here, right in that direction, right through there. And we'll bolt it all up and tack this together in a different place. And then we'll go on about our business, doing the same thing we did here and here. And we'll get that done, move on down the road. All right, made a little progress. This engine came from Andy's U-Pullet, Jay Youngblood over there, who's building a 32 Ford from SoCal that's gonna be badass. That's where I got this, and it is a 4.3 V8. I think it's out of a 96 Caprice. Not very big displacement, but I really like that intake on there. I like that fuel injected, low profile injection system. Okay, and here's what we've got. In the car, the motor mounts on this thing, the car actually used this one, and this one, these three, and boy was I confused. If they were upside down, this one was kind of hidden beside some brackets and hoses and stuff, and I didn't see it. Normally, the Chevrolets use this in the old days. And so nothing was covering up this boss. And this bracket right here was sitting on that boss. So in order to make it work, we split it right down through here and brought it away from the boss, the thickness of this bracket, and we'll weld this up both sides and get on down the road. All right, here we go. Almost done. Got the new motor stand in there, connected to the motor mount. Air conditioner bracket all welded together, ground out smooth front and back, very nice. We're welded here. We're gonna finish welding it on the side and on the back. We'll take it all out and got it welded back in the back. Also, this style motor mount just sits in a groove between a tab and this frame. And the engine and the stand will sit on the groove and you just slip the bolt in. I've got that one in there backwards, looks like. And then everything's all held up. All the wood's gone. It's mounted. We're almost a roller. Hey, you hear me say every time, thanks for tuning in. I want you to know I really mean that. Thanks for tuning in.